Welcome to part 115 of Daily English. Today's topic: Natural English expressions. Hang on. Hang on. Example: Hang on. I'll be right back. Just a second. Example: Just a second. I'm finishing this email. Give me a minute. Example: Give me a minute. I'm almost ready. One moment, please. Example: One moment, please. I'll check for you. I'll be with you in a moment. Example: I'll be with you in a moment. Thank you for waiting. Please wait here. Example: Please wait here while I get the manager. I'll check. Example: I'll check if we have your size. Thanks for waiting. Example: Thanks for waiting. Everything is ready now. Sorry for the wait. Example: Sorry for the wait. Here's your order. Mini conversation. Anna, excuse me. Can you help me? Ben, of course. One moment, please. Anna, sure. I'll wait here. Ben, thanks for waiting. Here's the information you need. Anna, thank you very much. Daily tip. Expressions like hang on, just a second, and one moment, please are used every day in conversations, on the phone, and in customer service. They are polite ways to ask someone to wait for a short time. Speaking challenge. Imagine someone asks you for help while you're busy. Politely ask them to wait, tell them you'll check something, thank them for waiting, and apologize for the wait. Speak using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 116. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.